Bonjour et bienvenue sur Speak French avec moi. Je suis Séverine, votre professeure de français. Hello and welcome to Speak French avec moi. I am Séverine and I am your French coach. Comment ça va aujourd'hui? Moi, je vais bien. How are you today? I'm great, thank you. Today, I'm going to share with you the 25 most important French verbs that I selected for everyday conversation and activities. Last episode, I talked about how you can make or use the past tense using venir de plus a verb. Also, a few weeks ago, I shared with you how you can use I'm going to plus verb to talk at future tense. Today, you will be able to start to make sentences using the verbs that I'm about to share with you. You will find all the verbs on the website speakfrenchavecmoi.com. And would you believe, but I have been making episodes now for 2 years. Great, and I want to thank you, yes, for listening to the podcast. And maybe you've been listening for 2 years. Are you ready to speak French? I will be right back after this short break. Alors, how do you spot a French verb? Unlike English, to spot a French verb, you have to look at the ending of the word. French verbs fall in 3 main categories, with endings with ER, IR, or RE. It means when you see in a text a word that is spelled with ER at the end or IR or RE, most of the time this is a French verb. All right, let's start first with French action verbs. Marcher, to walk. Marcher. Je vais marcher. I'm going to walk. Je viens de marcher. I just walk. Marcher. Rentrer. Rentrer. To come back. This one is hard to say. Rentrer. To come back. Je vais rentrer. I'm going to come back. Je viens de rentrer. I just came back. Rentrer doesn't mean to re-enter. Nager. Nager. To swim. Nager. Je vais nager. I'm going to swim. Je viens de nager. I just went swimming. Danser. To dance. Danser. Je vais danser. I'm going to dance. Je viens de danser. I just danced. Payer. Payer. To pay. Payer. Je vais payer. I'm going to pay. Je viens de payer. I just paid. Courir. Courir. To run. Je vais courir. I'm going to run. Je viens de courir. I just ran. Attendre. Attendre. To wait. Be careful, it doesn't mean to attend. Attendre means to wait. Je vais attendre. I am going to wait. Je viens d'attendre. I just waited. Alright, now let's talk about French daily life verbs. The verbs that you will have in a conversation to describe everyday activities. Lire, to read. I'm just sure you read your emails or the newspaper or whatever you see on the internet. Lire, to read. Je vais lire. I'm going to read. Je viens de lire. I just read. Now, écrire. Écrire is hard to say with the cross sound. Écrire. To write. Écrire. Je vais écrire. I'm going to write. Je viens d'écrire. I just wrote. Now, my favorite verb, manger, to eat. Manger. Please do not say man. Okay, remember it's all, you don't voice the N sound. Manger, to eat. Manger. Je vais manger. I'm going to eat. Je viens de manger. I just ate. Boire, to drink. I hope it'll be champagne. Boire. Boire. Je vais boire. I'm going to drink. Je viens de boire. I just drank. Dormir, to sleep. Dormir. Dormir, to sleep. Je vais dormir. I'm going to sleep. Je viens de dormir. I just slept. Venir, to come over. Venir, to come or to come over. Je vais venir. I'm going to come over. Je viens de venir. I just came over. Vouloir, to want. Vouloir, to want. Je vais vouloir. I'm going to want. Yes, I guess you can say that. Je vais vouloir. I'm going to want. Je viens de vouloir. I just want it. Prendre. Prendre means to take or to get or have when you talk about food. Prendre, to take or to get or to have when you talk about food. Je vais prendre can means I'm going to take or I'm going to have. Je viens de prendre, I just took, or I just had when you talk about food. Faire. Faire is a very important French verb. To do or to make. We don't make a difference. Faire. Je vais faire. I'm going to do or I'm going to make. Je viens de faire. I just did or I just made. Pouvoir. Pouvoir. To be able. Pouvoir. Je vais pouvoir. I am going to be able. Je viens de pouvoir. I was just able. Great. Now let's move on to another set of French verbs. This time we're going to talk about reflexive verbs. Reflexive verbs use an extra pronoun because they often apply to the daily routine. Meaning, reflexive verbs are often used to describe things you do to yourself every day, such as washing, brushing your hair, going to bed. All right, so let's try. Se réveiller. Se réveiller, to wake up. The se that you hear, it's going to change with the subject. So when you talk about yourself, you would say Je viens de me réveiller. I just woke up. Je viens de me réveiller. I just woke up. Se préparer. Se préparer means to get ready. Je vais me préparer. I'm going to get ready. Je viens de me préparer. I just got ready. Se laver, to wash up. Je vais me laver. I'm going to wash up. Je viens de me laver. I just washed up. S'habiller. I will repeat. S'habiller with a y sound, to get dressed. S'habiller. Je vais m'habiller. I'm going to get dressed. Je viens de m'habiller. I just got dressed. Se dépêcher. Se dépêcher. To rush. To hurry. Se dépêcher. Je vais me dépêcher. I'm going to hurry. Je viens de me dépêcher. I just rushed or I just hurried. Dépêcher. Se lever, to get up. Do not be confused with se laver, to wash up. Se lever, to get up. Je vais me lever. I'm going to get up. Je viens de me lever. I just got up. Se raser, to shave. Se raser with a Z sound. Je vais me raser. I'm going to shave. Je viens de me raser. I just shaved. Se coucher, to go to bed. Se coucher. Je vais me coucher. I'm going to bed. Je viens de me coucher. I just went to bed. I'm going to repeat all of them. Marcher, rentrer, nager, danser, payer, courir, attendre, lire, écrire, manger, boire, dormir, venir, vouloir, prendre, faire, pouvoir, se réveiller, se préparer, se laver, s'habiller, se dépêcher, se lever, se raser, se coucher. Voilà, c'est la fin de notre épisode. Here you go. It's the end of our episode. Now, to remember all these verbs, Some people like to memorize. For some other, they like to think about it during the day. So what you can do to remember this verb is when you get ready, you can say, how would I say that in French? Oh, to get ready. If you're going to run, then you can say, how I'm going to say, I'm going to run. Or how do you say, I just ate? Try to prompt yourself and to challenge yourself every day. You don't need hours, you just need a few minutes. Thank you again for being a great listener. As I said when I started this episode, that's it. I've been doing this podcast for 2 years, and I want to thank you, and I hope I'm being helpful. If you listen to this podcast on Spotify app, you can just leave 5 stars. You can also leave reviews and stars on Apple Podcast, on Audible, and wherever you listen to this podcast. Thank you again, and wherever you're in the world, keep learning French. Don't forget, and if anyone has told you today, you are terrific. Merci, au revoir, à bientôt.